Hello viewers, recently I talked about issue with SSD and HDD falling after installing the Windows 24 H2 August patch Tuesday security update KB5063878. To recap, many users reported the SSD, especially NVMe drivers, were disappearing, running extremely slow, or even causing data loss and corruption after the update. At the first, Microsoft and the control maker Python ran thousands of hours of testing and said there were no connection between the update and these failures. They claimed their testing didn't show any problem. However, Chinese enthusiast group on Facebook called PC DIY might have discovered the real reason. According to them, the issue comes from pre-installed firmware versions that may have been triggered by the Windows update, leading to crash and slowdowns. The group admin Rosie Lee said the problem was confirmed by Python engineer in their lab, which makes the report more credible. Their testings show that only SSD using engineering firmware, not the official stable release, were crashing after the update. For regular buyer, retail SSD already come with the official stable firmware that has been fully tested. This means if you bought a SSD through normal retail channels, you likely don't need to worry. But if you are facing these issues, it's recommended to update your SSD firmware after making a full backup of your data just to be safe. This also explains why Microsoft and Python didn't find problem during testing, because they most likely tested only retail units with stable firmware. Another point, Python mentioned that slowdown during heavy file transferring are not caused by Windows but by the SLC caches maxing out, fixing that require a secure errors, since a simple Windows format won't solve the problem. So in short, the SSD issue may not actually be caused by Windows itself, but by pre-installed firmware versions. I will keep you updated if Microsoft or Python responds to these new claims. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.